Magandang araw sa inyo mga kabiyaheros. Dito tayo ngayon sa Lacson Underpass, dito sa Recto Avenue. At malamang ay madali nyong makikilala itong mall na ating pag-uusapan ngayon sa vlog na ito. Walang iba kundi ang Isetann Recto. May kita nyo na kasalukuyan ang pagsasaayos at pagpipintura sa labas ng mall. Pero yung loob ay hindi pa natin alam kung may ginawang malaking pagbabago. Tara na at samahan nyo akong bisitahin ang iconic and epic na shopping mall dito sa Maynila, ang Isetann Recto.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Bilang, parang iPhone design. Meron din tayo sir, Phoenix. Yan, 8GB lang na sir, makakulit pa. Meron din sir, budget friendly. So, like, no smart 8 sir, Type-C na po.
Ito na yung ganyan.
Ganito sir, formulation na pricing nito sir is yung 8GB lang 64, nakasay na lang po sir na from 4,500 to 4,000 sir. Plus freebies pa po yun. Temper, earphone, may case na rin, wala walang sir. 8GB naman yan sir, 64 storage na. Plus freebies pa. Kaya kung baga sir, sa 4,000 sir, wala na po kayong pag-gastos sir. Gagamitin na lang po siya sir. 1 year warranty pa sa lahat po ng service center. Ang regalo ba hanap niya sir o pang basic yung sana sir?
Ang regalo sa anak ko.
Ang magkano po ba please target sana hanap niya sir? In case, may panregalo sir.
Pwede na siguro to. Magkano to? 4,000?
Yes sir, 8GB na mo yan sir, 64 storage, Type-C, ganito po naman sir.
Okay.
Specs niyan sir is naka 9 years refreshment rate, dual SIM card. Meron na rin po yan sir, dual speaker. Kaya kumbaga, may speaker na po siya sa baba, may speaker na sa taas. Kung for studies, goods na rin yan sir for student. Kasi 64 megapixel, 8 RAM. Tapos battery niya sir, tatagal sir ng 2 to 3 days kung basic use. Yan sir, may iba't ibang kulay din yan sir. Available niya sir, meron kulay black. Best color niya. So ba iba sir gagamit sir, lalaki sir?
Lalaki.
Ayan sir, sulit na sulit for gaming din or multitasking.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.